என்னை பெற்ற அன்னைக்கும் நான் கற்ற தமிழ் அன்னைக்கும் முதல் வணக்கம். I am Arulmani from Salem. In this video, I want to give some informations which I mentioned in my petition to the Prime Minister 8 years back, emphasizing the need to strengthen the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council so that the council is capable of accepting the complaints written in any language in which the TV programs are broadcasted in India. I have sent a complaint in Tamil language to the Secretary of Broadcasting Content Complaints Council against a TV program broadcasted in the language of Tamil. Up to 30 days after receiving my complaint, the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council did not take any action. Then I sent another petition under Right to Information Act to Broadcasting Content Complaints Council asking about the informations regarding the action taken on my petition. After receiving my RTI petition, an authority of Broadcasting Content Complaints Council contacted me through mobile and told me that the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council does not accept the complaints in any language other than Hindi and English. At the time, I told him to take action on my complaint with the help of a translator, but he told that Broadcasting Content Complaints Council does not have necessary facilities to get a translator. I got shocked on receiving this kind of reply from a Broadcasting Content Complaints Council authority, and I asked him to send me his reply in writing. If Broadcasting Content Complaints Council cannot understand about the contents of a petition in a language other than Hindi and English, how can it understand about the contents of a TV program in a language other than Hindi and English? If Broadcasting Content Complaints Council cannot understand about the contents of a petition in a language other than Hindi and English, how can it judge that a content of a TV program in a language other than Hindi and English is correct or incorrect? If Broadcasting Content Complaints Council cannot understand about the contents of a petition in a language other than Hindi and English, how can it come to a conclusion whether the contents of a TV program in a language other than Hindi and English are within the limit of rules or violating the rules, whether the content of a TV program is to be permitted or not to be permitted, whether broadcasting such contents is an offense or not? If the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council's act of refusing the complaint in a language other than Hindi and English is considered as correct, the formation of such Broadcasting Content Complaints Council becomes meaningless. If we justify the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council's act of refusing the complaint in a language other than Hindi and English, there is no use in the existence of such an ineffective Broadcasting Content Complaints Council. Functioning of such Broadcasting Content Complaints Council with incomplete infrastructure does not serve the purpose of the formation of Broadcasting Content Complaints Council. It does not fulfill the objective for which the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council is formed. Such an incomplete Broadcasting Content Complaints Council cannot do its duty for which it is formed. After permitting the TV channels to broadcast the programs in so many languages, the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council is not prepared to accept the complaints in all such languages, and it is accepting the complaints only in Hindi and English means it is equivalent to refuse the rights of other languages, and also it is equivalent to permit the criminal activities in the TV programs broadcasted in the languages other than Hindi and English. I do not know how the government failed to consider these important facts while forming the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council. So, the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council with such insufficient facilities is to be considered as a handicapped body. Such a body is to be considered as a body without eyes. So, we must take necessary action to make the body a well-equipped body. Instead of keeping such an ineffective Broadcasting Content Complaints Council, we can close it. Because at present, the existence and the non-existence of Broadcasting Content Complaints Council are one and the same. At present, the Broadcasting Content Complaints Council is just existing for namesake and it is not functioning with any aim. So, in order to make the sleeping Broadcasting Content Complaints Council as working Broadcasting Content Complaints Council, it must get all the necessary facilities needed to take action on any complaints in any language in which the TV programs are broadcasted in India. Thank you.